Hey hustlers, welcome back to Money Hustle 360, where we help you turn your dreams into dollars. Today, we're diving into the 7 best traffic sources that will flood your website with buyers. If you're struggling to get visitors to your site or convert those visitors into paying customers, you're in the right place. These traffic sources are proven to drive high-quality traffic that can lead to sales. So grab your notebooks and let's get started. First up is search engine optimization, or SEO. This is the process of optimizing your website to rank higher in search engine results, making it easier for potential buyers to find you. To get started with SEO, focus on keyword research. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner, Ahrefs, or SEMrush to identify keywords that your target audience is searching for. Once you have your keywords, optimize your website's content, meta tags, and images to include these keywords naturally. Creating high-quality, valuable content is also crucial. Blog posts, how-to guides, and informative articles can attract organic traffic and establish your authority in your niche. Remember, SEO is a long-term strategy, but the traffic it generates is often highly targeted and can lead to significant sales over time. Next, let's talk about social media marketing. With billions of users on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok, social media is a goldmine for driving traffic to your website. To effectively use social media, identify which platforms your target audience frequents the most. Create engaging content that resonates with them. This could be eye-catching images, videos, or informative posts. Don't forget to include links to your website in your posts and bio. Use relevant hashtags to increase your visibility and reach a broader audience. Engaging with your followers by responding to comments and messages can also help build a loyal community around your brand. The more you engage, the more likely your followers will share your content, driving even more traffic to your site. Way number 3 is email marketing. This is one of the most effective ways to drive traffic to your website and convert leads into buyers. Start by building an email list. Offer something of value like a free ebook, discount, or exclusive content in exchange for visitors' email addresses. Once you have a list, create engaging email campaigns that provide value and encourage recipients to visit your website. Segment your audience based on their interests and behaviors to send targeted emails that resonate with them. Use compelling subject lines and clear calls to action to increase your open and click-through rates. Email marketing not only drives traffic but also helps nurture relationships with your audience, leading to higher conversion rates. Next up is paid advertising. If you want to see immediate results, investing in paid ads can be a game changer. Platforms like Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Instagram Ads allow you to target specific audiences based on demographics, interests, and behaviors. To get started, define your advertising goals and budget. Create eye-catching ads that highlight your products or services and include a strong call to action. Monitor your ad performance regularly and make adjustments as needed. A/B testing different ad creatives and targeting options can help you optimize your campaigns for better results. While paid advertising requires an investment, the potential return on investment can be significant if done correctly. Way number 5 is influencer marketing. Collaborating with influencers in your niche can help you reach a larger audience and drive targeted traffic to your website. Start by identifying influencers who align with your brand values and have an engaged following. Reach out to them with a proposal for collaboration, whether it's through sponsored posts, product reviews, or giveaways. Influencers can create authentic content that showcases your products, making their followers more likely to trust and purchase from you. This form of marketing can be incredibly effective, especially if you choose the right influencers who resonate with your target audience. Next, we have content marketing. Creating valuable content that addresses your audience's pain points can drive significant traffic to your website. Start a blog on your website and publish articles that provide solutions, tips, and insights related to your niche. Use SEO techniques to optimize your content for search engines, making it easier for potential buyers to find you. Promote your content on social media and through email marketing to reach a wider audience. Consider creating videos, infographics, or podcasts to diversify your content and engage different types of learners. The more valuable content you produce, the more likely you are to attract visitors who are interested in what you have to offer. Finally, let's talk about online communities and forums. Engaging in online communities related to your niche can be a powerful way to drive traffic to your website. Join forums, Facebook groups, and Reddit communities where your target audience hangs out. Participate in discussions, answer questions, and provide valuable insights. When appropriate, share links to your website or relevant content that can help others. Just be sure to follow community guidelines and avoid being overly promotional. Building relationships and establishing yourself as an authority in these communities can lead to increased traffic and potential buyers. Now that you know the 7 best traffic sources to flood your website with buyers, here are some tips for success. Track your analytics. Use tools like Google Analytics to monitor your website traffic and understand where your visitors are coming from. This data can help you refine your strategies. Be consistent. Consistency is key in driving traffic. Whether it's posting on social media, sending emails, or creating content, make sure you're regularly engaging with your audience. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments, messages, and feedback. Building a relationship with your audience can lead to increased loyalty and repeat visits to your website. Optimize for mobile. Ensure your website is mobile-friendly. A significant portion of web traffic comes from mobile devices, so a seamless experience is crucial. Experiment and adapt. Don't be afraid to try new strategies and adapt based on what works best for your audience. The digital landscape is always changing, so staying flexible is essential. And there you have it. 7 best traffic sources that will flood your website with buyers. Which traffic source are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more money-making tips. Thanks for watching, and remember, hustle smarter, not harder. See you in the next video.